my SA artists, guys. Makbepanaga. Don't even mention. The ching-ching in the morning. The ching-ching in the morning.
Guys, you see Kabza? He's so good. He's so damn good.
Mina guys, itolo ngidliwe ngikabza.
No, I'm just an undercover celeb. I don't know.
Sanibonani guys, ninjani? Like I wanna clear up this thing. Yokuthi, we know, like my friends, we intoxicated and we were like having fun, and then we brought up ligama la Kabza in the thing. So we like siyaxolisa i-management ya Kabza, mfati wa Kabza, bamfa ba Kabza, everyone. Like my friend never meant to say that. We were just joking. We were like really joking, and siyaxolisa ngako konke mangabe khona lo phatheke kabi, khona lo kwendeke in, like siyaxolisa. Like my friend didn't like want to like say that, but it was like excitement, and you know, but mama happy, like they do whatever, they say whatever, like we just like sorry about whatever thing, we like sorry.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgoswasa Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. In the video le be circulator la pana ma social media platforms nge weekend yabo sesi lebe ba nqoma uKabza the Small empedini but we are paper and we are beja and le video le bantu abaningi bakhulume ngayo basho ukuthi hayibonke uKabza the Small is cheating on his wife once again, because they go ukuthi uke wamshithela and indzaba yakho yaduma ngendlela mangukela uthi uyaqolisa Nkosi yami. Yena nebangani bakhe bebadijabulele nje badukhulumela noma ngabe yini, they were drunk and they didn't mean what they said about uKabza. Bebadijokela, bayadlala, bathi shwele bayaqolisa kuKabza the Small mfati wakhe nawo wonke umuntu, and some are even saying ukuthi hayibo mhlambe uKabza the Small ubathusile yini, washo ukuthi they must issue a video yokuqolisa so that abantu badokela kukhuluma ngaye. But guys, kuba celebrate kumadema kuyenteka ukuthi vele uKabza the Small uyakwenda lokhu, kungenteka futhi kokuthi akakwendi, and noma ngaba akakwendi sekuvele nje kumfanele because uke wakwenda, vele kuvele kumfanele because uyi-celebrity. So nje abaqekele phansi isithundi sakhe ngendlela lesimanga mhlambe ukuthi lento lena vele they were just joking bayisho badlala, because this is a very serious matter because uKabza unemfati. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. I'm signing out. Goodbye.